Welcome to Auto Deals.
1. Maruti Suzuki is a leading automobile manufacturer in India, headquartered in New Delhi. It was founded in 1981 and has been a subsidiary of the Japanese carmaker Suzuki Motor Corporation since then. 2. Maruti Suzuki has a wide range of products, including hatchbacks, sedans, SUVs, and vans. Some of its popular models in India include the Alto, Swift, Baleno, Dzire, Vitara Brezza, and Ertiga. 3. Maruti Suzuki has a dominant market share in India, with a 50% share in the passenger car market as of 2021. It has been the top-selling car brand in India for several years. 4. Maruti Suzuki has a strong focus on sustainability and has implemented various initiatives to reduce its environmental impact. For example, it has set up water conservation projects, solar power plants, and waste management systems at its manufacturing plants. 5. Maruti Suzuki has a wide network of sales and service outlets in India, with over 3,000 sales outlets and more than 4,000 service centers across the country. It also exports its products to several countries, including Japan, Europe, and Latin America.